Hello students, I hope you all are safe at your home. So today in this video, as you can see from this picture, we are going to understand chapter number 7, Away in Cody. Okay, so this is the story of a very nice girl who stays in the village with the grandparents. So let us begin. Paragraph 1. Ankita looked out of the window as the car sped past the rice field. This was the first time she would be living in a village for 4 weeks. Her parents were going abroad for work. She couldn't accompany them and would be staying with their grandparents in Kodi village. So, as I told you, Ankita was going to stay with their grandparents for 4 weeks as her parents were going abroad, so she would not be able to go with them. That is why she need to stay with their grandparents. Okay, paragraph number 2. The car stopped outside a small white house. We are home, Ankita, her grandfather said. Her grandmother was at the gate with their pets, Gogi, a goat, and Rolly, a dog. Okay, so Ankita was sitting in a car, okay, with his grandfather. So as they reached a small white house, Ankita's grandfather said, Ankita, we are home, Ankita. Okay, and Ankita's grandmother was standing near the gate to welcome Ankita, and she was standing with the pets. They are Gogi, who was a goat, and Rolly, who was a dog. Next paragraph. Grandmother had laid tea for them. Chapati rolls with homemade guava jam, salted biscuits and milky tea. It is made with fresh cow's milk, dear, grandmother said, offering her a cup of tea. So, as soon as Ankita reached home, okay, Ankita's grandmother offered tea to Ankita. So, with tea, they had chapati rolls with homemade guava jam. They also had salted biscuits and milky tea as well. Understood? 3 paragraphs. So, Ankita would have to stay in a village for 4 weeks as her parents were going abroad for work and she was not able to accompany them, so she had to stay with her grandparents in Kodi village. As Ankita's grandfather was there in the car with her, they reached home. Okay, after that Ankita's grandmother offered some tea with chapati rolls and homemade guava jam, also salted biscuits and milky tea. Okay, so now let us move on towards the second page, page number 67. Okay, first paragraph. Ankita sat in a veranda, watching the colors of the sunset fade over her grandparents' huge field. She tried to call her friend from her cell phone. The signal was weak. She wondered how she would spend her time without television or internet. So now you people also get bored when you don't have any internet or any type of television. You people also may get bored. So just like that, Ankita was sitting in her veranda. What is veranda? So veranda is a roof platform outside the house. Okay, so you have a very nice huge place outside your house where you can sit. Okay, so she was sitting in a veranda and she was watching the beautiful sunset. Okay, um, Ankita's grandparents had huge fields. Okay, so she was also watching the the colors of sunset fading over grandparents' huge field. Okay, she tried to call her friend from her cell phone, but there, as we all know, in villages the signal is very much weak, so she was not able to call her friend. Thus she wondered that how is she going to spend her time without television or internet. Next paragraph. Rolly trotted towards her. Carrying a stick in his mouth, she played fetch with him, throwing the stick and watching him bring it back to her excitedly. Gogi joined in the fun and butted Honey gently. So now, as we all know, that Ankita was sitting in the veranda. So what did Rolly did? You all know who is Rolly? Rolly is a dog. Okay, is a pet of grandmother. So Rolly came towards Ankita, and Rolly gave the stick from his mouth to Ankita, and he told that he wants to play with him. So what did Ankita did? Ankita threw the stick and Rolly would bring it back very excitedly. With this, there was a friendship of Rolly and Gogi with Ankita. Okay. Dinner is ready, Grandma called out. So as Rolly and Gogi were playing with Ankita, Grandma said that dinner is ready. The food looked appetizing. The pulao was made with vegetables from the kitchen garden. Ankita heaped thick curd on her rice. The jaggery chikki was delicious. So, as we all can see, Ankita's grandmother could make very delicious food. So, in the dinner, she made pulao with vegetables from the kitchen garden. Means they had a small kitchen garden. From there, they plucked fresh vegetables to make their dinner. And Ankita poured a thick curd on the rice, and Ankita's grandmother also offered some jaggery chikki, which was very much delicious. The healthy air will make you all rosy, Grandpa said. You are so pale and thin, Anki. So as our grandfathers say to us, कितनी पतली हो गई है, कुछ खाया कर. So just like that, Ankita's grandfather told Ankita that you have become so pale and thin. Means कितनी रूखी और सूखी हो गई है. You should eat very healthy food and it will make you healthy. Okay? I'll get bored here, Ankita said. She looked like she would break down in tears. So now what is Ankita saying to his grandfather? That I will get bored here. So grandfather replies, you won't. You can help me with the gardening, read books and run errands for me on your cycle. I have got one for you, he smiled. So his grandfather says that no, you won't be able to, you won't be get bored. You can help me with the gardening, you can read books and you can run, okay, on your cycle. I have got one cycle for you. So Ankita replies. Ankita's eyes widen. She was never allowed to ride a bicycle in the city. So as Ankita was not allowed to ride the bicycle in the city, so her eyes got widened that seriously, am I going to ride a cycle over here? So grandfather replies, you will get your cycle tomorrow, grandfather said. Time to sleep now. Okay, so as it was, this conversation happened in the night time. So his grandfather said that you will get your bicycle tomorrow, but now you need to sleep. Ankita sat in bed reading a book she had brought with her. Thankfully, her parents used grandparents used solar energy, so that they always had electricity unlike the rest of the village. So now, as the other members in the village family in the village did not had solar energy, but Ankita's grandfather had. So she read a book, okay, that which she had brought with her, and she went to sleep, and she was very much excited for the next morning, that how would be my bicycle. So from this paragraph, new paragraph, we will continue in the next section. Okay, I hope you all have understood this much. Thank you and have a nice day.